Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. I welcome you to fresh episode on my channel. Yeah, so I was off for days. Yeah, but I'm back. Yeah, so today I'm about to do exchange to exchange arbitrage with the help of the bots. Yeah, with the help of the bots. Yeah, so currently I just checked the bot and the bot said I should trade AR2 on Bybit and XT. Yeah. So this is how the bot operates. Or the bot gives you signals. It shows you where to buy at a lower rate and where to sell at a higher rate. The bot and the subscription is $50 if you need it. Yeah. And this one, when you spot opportunity, you can trade as many as you want. You can trade as many as you want. Yeah. So let's check this. Let's check this. Yeah. So you can see that right now I'm using ARTY, and over here too is ARTY. Here over here is 0.2707 and here is 0.2719. So it means that I will buy it from here and I will sell it over here. Yeah. So if I come here, first of all, let me do this. After that, I'll go and start it from scratch for you all to see. So if I come here to buy, it should be market order. Let me do it to limit order so that I'm buying $100. I'll be getting this amount. Yeah. So if I come here, before you do every trade, make sure that you do your calculation and see if you're making profit or not. So if I'm using $100, I'm getting $0.6. That is not profitable for me. But in this case, you can do as many as you want, but no, that's not profitable for me. So I'll use $1,000. So it depends on the opportunity. When you spot opportunity, the higher the capital, the higher the profit. Yeah. So if you have enough of capital, you'll be getting enough of what profit. So if I'm using, so let me buy this. So let me sell it over here. Sell it over here. So I'll be getting 1,007.03. So it means that every trade I'll be earning $7 on my 1,000. And in this case, I can trade 10 times, 20 times. It depends on the market. And the market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and stuff. Yeah, so the market is dynamic. You can see that right now is 0.2721. So it is going up. So in every trade, I'll be earning $7 in every trade. I'll be earning $7 in every trade. You see that thing? And you deduct your fee from it. So as a beginner, this is how we're doing it. We started from scratch. So first of all, as a beginner, you need to buy USDT. So after creating accounts on Bybit, I'm using Bybit and XT, you go to your P2P, then you come and buy your USDT. So if you have mobile money and stuff, so this person is using mobile money and its rate is from 50 Ghana cedis to 5,000. So if you click on buy now, and always trade with people who are verified, like this one is verified. You see that thing? Trade with people who are verified so that you will not end up losing your money. So if I'm spending 13,000 to start my trade, 13,000, this person limit is not up to 13,000. So let me this one 13,000, let me say 14,000. I'll be getting 1,024. Yeah, so you will click on buy. So when you click on buy, like this, you see you contact the person. And the person have these rules. With confirm Paul and Nan ventures as agent's name before making payments. Yeah, so please complete payments within the so when the person is online, like you drop your number, you just drop your number and you allow cash out. So when you do everything finish, then you come and click on pay now. You see, but me, I'm just doing for tutorial, so I'll cancel order. here. Yeah. So when you receive your money in your account here, then you come to the market. You search for ART. Why? Sorry. I'm close to. I'm just bathing that. And I'm doing this. So yeah. So you come here and you change this thing to limit so to start. So yeah, so then you come here and you buy your $1,000 here, $1,000 here, yeah. So $1,000 here, you be getting 370096, right? Yeah. Then you go to your assets. You go to when you withdraw it. It when you buy it, it will be in the unified trading here. Unified trading here. It will be here. Yeah. So you go to your withdraw. Then you search for the ART. Right, this is it. Artifacts. Yeah. Then you choose the network. So the BB20, when you're doing transfer, they will deduct you 0.27. It's not even up to a 0.50 cents. Is that thing? Yeah. Then you choose it here. Then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. This is it. Is that thing? Then you go to your XC address, then you copy your XC, then you come and paste it over here. You see, then you withdraw it. So you receive this amount in your XC account. Then you go to the market, go to spots, then you search for the ERTY, then you click on trade, then you go to sell, then you sell it. You sell it. You see that thing? Then this amount you will get. Yeah. So at times when you're doing it, just don't be quick to sell, because you can do the process finish, then the market will be down. You see that thing? Yeah. So let me go to market and see. It's not forced to buy and sell at the spot. No. You're making profit on it, so you just have to wait. So this is it. So 1,000, I'm getting this in. Yeah. Then I'll come here fast. I'll come here, paste it over here. So it means that every trade I'll be earning $6.3 every trade. I'll be earning $6.3 in every trade that I will make. I'll be getting $6.3. You see, just simple as that. So imagine, like, even if I'm paying 1.3 as fee, I'm getting $5 per every trade, and I'm able to do it 5 times, 15 times every day. I'm getting 75 times 30 days. I'm in $2,250. So if I'm in Ghana right now, 13.6, I'm in 30,600 Ghana cedis. You see, just simple as that. So one thing about crypto arbitrage is that, like, the higher your capital, the higher the profit. And this crypto arbitrage, one thing that's very difficult is that you finding opportunities. That is why I'm saying that you need the boat, because the boat will find the opportunities for you. It will tell you where to buy it and where to sell it and stuff. And it will also give you 75 plus exchanges that you don't even know. So you know that if it tells that go and buy it from XT, go and set on Uniswap, you know everything. Yeah. So it's best for you to get a boat, so that the boat will show you what to do. I hope you understand it. Yeah. The boat comes with unlimited subscription. So you can use the boat to get your signals, where to buy it at low price and where to sell it. And when you buy the boat, I will teach you how to use the boat as well. You see that thing? Yeah, to make your cool cash. And this one is exchange to exchange. That is why I'm giving you where to buy. Currently it's Monday 11/14. But I think I will post this video tomorrow. Yeah, but I'll put the signal. Let me screenshot the signals in my group right now, so that people will be making money from it. Let me screenshot the signals in my group right now. So let me put the signals in my group right now. Yeah. So 1,000. Let me screenshot. I'll set it over here. Set it over here. Set it over here. Then this amount I'll be getting. Let me put in my screenshots. Yeah, so I'll put, if in my group you're watching me from TikTok, I have a free group link over there. Just join it and make cool cash from yourself. Yeah, so I'm Crypto Lord and know how we do it. I'm back and I'm back strong. Let's cash out together. I'm out.